Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel again. In today's quick video, we are going to see how to add Chrome extensions or Chrome. So let's head over to the Chrome browser, and here you'll find this icon of extensions. And if you can't find this one, just tap on the three dots icon right here, and you will find this Optimum extensions right here. And go to visit Chrome Web Store. And in here, tap on extensions. And once you're there, from here, you can go to any extensions you want. Suppose I want to go to this one. So here you have to tap on Add to Chrome, and this extension will be added to your browser. In here, it will be see. So yeah, these are the extensions in here. You'll be able to see just by clicking on it. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next video.